like 18 hours.
What's up?
Alright, open it up.
What in the Barney?
Exactly. So yesterday, while he was getting this thing smogged, before we even owned it, we were going and getting parts from a junkyard, and then we met him and rebuilt the car.
Nice. This is like the most cluttered rotary I've ever seen.
Yeah, it's the drift build.
What? But Jerry's about to do a live reveal of the car on Instagram before we've even done the video, guys.
Here's the remote, it
Oh
changes
my god,
colors.
it's got a battery.
I've got a 260 that I'm restoring, and it looks so good off jack stands.
Take my number. I love it. Yeah, just shoot me a message, and then anything, just add me on Instagram or whatever.